G'day, it's Michael here. In this video, we're going to be looking at bookmarks in CadTracker. We're all familiar with internet bookmarks, which have been around since the 1990s. With CadTracker, you can record bookmarks for projects, companies, and contacts, and there's also a general collection of bookmarks for URLs that are not specific to those record types. Bookmarks are recorded in the CadTracker database, not on your PC, so they are available to all CadTracker users in your organization. You can view all the bookmarks in CadTracker by clicking on the Bookmarks button on the Start page or by clicking View Bookmarks. As you can see, there are already a couple of bookmarks here which belong to the sample project. To open a bookmark, simply double-click on the row or click on the link. There are several ways to create new bookmarks. The first is to click New. We'll create a new bookmark for a contact. Select John Smith, and this is John's blog. And we'll add a category. If you already have some internet shortcut files, you can drag and drop them onto this region up here in the bookmarks list. So I have one here on the desktop. I can click and drag and drop it over here. The easiest way to create a new bookmark is to drag and drop from an internet browser. So in Chrome, up here next to the address bar, I'll click and drag and drop it onto the region in the bookmarks list. Add a category and a tag and some notes. Now let's add another bookmark for a company. We'll open the Company Explorer, open the Start page for Maxwell Armstrong and select Bookmarks. This time from Firefox, we'll click and drag. As you can see, Firefox is maximized, but if I drag and hover over CadTracker in the taskbar, CadTracker will activate and I can continue to drag and then drop. So we have a new bookmark in the company start page. If I click on bookmarks, it also appears here. Okay, let's try adding a bookmark from Microsoft Edge. If I try and drag from up here, you can see, unfortunately, Edge does not support dragging and dropping. So the workaround is to click on the menu here, open with Internet Explorer. The same URL will open and Internet Explorer does support dragging and dropping. So that's a quick overview of bookmarks in CadTracker. Bye for now.